So, hindi lang tayo sa Korea maghahanap ng K-drama locations because currently we are in Quebec City in Canada to find yung mga K-drama locations ng K-drama Goblin. I don't know if naalala nyo pa ba ang Goblin, but that was shown in 2016 and we are gonna try to find yung mga locations niya here. Sobrang ganda dito. Para talaga akong nasa ibang bansa. Sa ibang bansa. Right now, we see that fountain, and that fountain is where she realized na in love na siya. So, let's go. We are here at the fountain. This is our first location. Super lucky because this is near our hotel. So, this is where she realized na in love na siya. And I wish I could also tell someone na in love na rin ako. Where are you? This is the second location. Grabe, sobrang ganda dito. A day in the life of a K content creator in Quebec. We Grabe. This was a sad scene. Nilagyan na lang ng tombstones dito, makeshift lang. Pero this is how it looks like on a normal day. It's so beautiful. Meron din scene dyan sa baba and ganito yung view niya. So magvo-voice over na tayo kasi ganito kahangin sa labas. So yung next stop natin ay yung Frontenac or the Fairmont Hotel. Also known as the Goblin Hotel kasi ito yung hotel niya sa series. Sobrang ganda dito, nakapasok kami pero ito lang yung video ko, hindi ko na videohan yung chandelier. Next stop is La Boutique Noel. It's Christmas everyday dito. Super duper cute ng store na to. You can buy all your Christmas decorations all year round. Our last stop is the Petite Champlain. Hindi ko alam kung tama pronunciation ko. It's a bit of a hike going here, pero if you're willing to pay $3 per person, you can take the elevator going down. So dito yung scene kung saan siya first nang nag-I love you. And of course, dito din yung very famous red door. Super daming spots na magaganda dito sa Quebec and I hope one day makarating din kayo dito.